Hi, this is Mr. Ahmed, and today we're gonna do lesson 11.3 Measure and Draw Angles. We studied before the degrees, and we said that if we divided a circle into 360 equal parts, each small part, which is 1 over 360 of the circle, is called a degree. This is the unit of measuring angles. In today's lesson, we will learn how to measure an angle in degrees and how to draw it if we know it's measured in degrees. So let's unlock the problem. Emma wants to make a clay sculpture of her daughter as she appears in the photo from her dance recital. How can she measure angle DCE, or the angle formed by her daughter's arms? Okay, to measure this angle we need a protractor. A protractor is a tool for measuring the size of an angle. So to measure this angle, you place the center of the protractor on the vertex C. So you place the center of the protractor on the vertex C. Then you align the 0 degree of the protractor on the ray CE, like this. Yeah, so you align the 0 degree with the ray CE. So two things: the center of the protractor must be on the vertex, and the 0 degree mark must be on the ray. Then you count until the other ray, like this: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. It means the measure of the angle DCE is 120 degrees. So the measure of the angle DCE is 120 degrees. So the angle formed by Emma's daughter's arms is 120 degrees. Now, math talk. Can you line up either ray of the angle with the protractor when measuring? We lined up the ray CE with the protractor. Can we line up the ray CD? Let's see. We can just put the center of the protractor on the vertex, and we try to line up the ray CD with the 0 degree mark of the protractor. Yes, like this. But instead of counting from this 0, we'll count from the other 0. So we count from the 0 lined up with the ray. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 also. So you can line up either ray with the protractor and see where the other ray will intersect the scale. And now let's draw an angle. In this activity we will draw angle KLM with a measure of 82 degrees. So first we'll use our protractor to draw this angle. First we will draw a ray like this, and then we will place the center of the protractor on the vertex, and the 0 degree mark must be with the ray. And then we will count until 82. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So this is 80. The small mark after it, 81. The next one is 82. So we just make a point. And after that, we will connect this point with the vertex, like this. And here we have our angle 82 degrees. And we just have to name it angle KLM. So we can write here, for example, K, and the vertex is L, and here M. And now share and show. Measure angle ABC place the center of the protractor on the point. We place the center of the protractor on the vertex, so on the point P. Align ray BC with the 0-degree mark. Read where what intersects the same scale. We will read where ray BA intersects the same scale. Ray BA. So measure of angle ABC is, let's see, it is not 60 and not 70, it is in the halfway between 60 and 70, so it's 65. So measure of the angle ABC is 65 degrees. And now use a protractor to find the angle measure. Okay, number 2, measure of angle O and M. So we place the center of the protractor on the vertex on the point N, and we align the 0-degree mark with the ray NM, and we count until the ray NO. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here in the middle 55, it's just after it. So 56, it's about 56 degrees. Okay, the other one, angle TSR, we place the center on the vertex S, and we align the 0-degree mark on ray SR, and we will count from this 0. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I think it's on 102, 103. 103 degrees. It mustn't be this accurate. If you wrote, for example, number 2 around 55, it's okay. And number 3, if you wrote it around 100, for example, 101, 100, 104, 105, it's okay. And now use a protractor to draw the angle. Number 4, we'll draw an angle of measure 170 degrees. So first we'll draw a ray. And then we will put the center of the protractor on the vertex, and the 0-degree mark will align it with the ray. And then we'll count from the 0 at the right, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. 170, it will be just right here. We'll make a point, and then we will connect this point with the vertex. So it will be something like this. So this is 170 degrees angle. Now we want to draw an angle of measure 78 degrees. So first we will draw a ray, and we will place the center of the protractor on the vertex, and we'll align the 0 with the ray, and we'll count until 78. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 78, it will be just before 80 with 2 marks. And we will connect this point with the vertex like this. So we'll have an angle of 78 degrees. And now it's your turn. Solve on your own exercises And if you are in my class, I'll be happy to help you in the live session. See you.